Do you know the power of the words? There is an immense power in the words that you speak. Have you ever been poked by a blunt nail and you feel nothing? But when you poked with a sharp nail, what happens to you? You shout, you have in pain. You see if there is any wound out there or not. This is what happens when you speak somebody with a wrong words. Words can have an impact on the other person that can be a good and a bad. Some short words can make a person go mad, and that some words can make him to do something to encourage them. In our society, we have a lot of things that are depend on words. The relationship between the husband and wife, the parent and child, how we communicate with our neighbors, our friends, the family members. All these depend on the words that you speak. Most of the time, you are speaking in autopilot mode. You never think what you are speaking. But try to speak the words that will help or immense help the other person who is standing before you. But it takes a little bit of work on yourself. Our society is built on the communication. If we do not communicate, we can't make our networks. We can't thrive in our society. But choose words very wisely. You have to choose those words very wisely. As I have said, it's an immense effect on the other person who is listening to you. And if you're a public speaker, then it's very important for you to choose your words. Because whatever you speak, it will impact the people who are speaking, who are listening to you. Try to withhold the wrong words inside you. If you want to convince someone, try to have some words, selective words in your vocabulary that can encourage the people. Don't use the loser words. Try to keep your morale up and choose the words wisely when you speak in front of anyone. It is very difficult for the person who is very, you can say, bubbly type of person who is always speaking. But for some people, it is very easy to do the things. Like in introverts. If you take an example of introvert people, they speak but they think before they speak. They love to listen, and when they speak, the people will be awe. They will listen you deeply. And whenever you speak to someone, see if the positive words you are using have an impact on them. You will see a lot of people start to listening to you if you speak a power words, positive words, and your people will make a distance from you if you speak some wrong words or negative words. And this is how you create your network. These are the power of the words. There is an experiment, I don't know the name of the person who had done that. He has two plants. Every day in the one plant he say, I love you, I love you, I love you, most of the times. On the second plant he said, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you. But the manure and the water he is doing regular to both the plants. In some days he see the plant which he said, I love you, is thriving. But the plant when he's saying, I hate you, is dying. And this is the power of the words. See, our body is full of energy, and when you speak someone, it will impact that. So it will impact yourself also. So whenever you speak to yourself, try to speak in positive language. Whenever there's any situation which is not, you can say, not in your hands, then again it is up to you to speak wisely to you, because that will have an impact, immense impact on yourself as well. People talk endlessly without thinking anything what will the impact, and that is why most of the people are doing nothing in their life. Nobody wants to listen to them. Everybody wants to give advice, but nobody wants to listen. So all my friends who are watching this video, from today onwards, start to speak wisely with some chosen words. Whenever you speak to someone, think the words that you are speaking may impact the other person who is listening to you. Are they good for them, for yourself, or they bad? So friends, hope you learned something new from this video. And if you like this video, please like and share with your family friends who speak continuously without thinking. Maybe you want to learn something new. Please subscribe to my channels. I post one video daily with a new topic, a new story, and I will meet you tomorrow with another one. So till then, goodbye.